Hello students, here we are solving a question which can be given to you for case study question or which can be given to you as a numerical also. So here we are having a question, area of each plate of parallel plate capacitor is 200 centimeter square. This is the area of each plate. Plates are separated by 0.04 centimeter air gap, means in between the plates it is air. Now question 1, if the capacitor is connected across 500 volt source, the electric field between the plates will be given by. Now electric field, for electric field the formula is V by D. V is given to us 500 volt and the value of D is 0.4 centimeter. To convert centimeter into meter, this on solving gets 1.25 into 10 the power 5 or 125 kilovolt per meter. So in option we find that option D is giving us 125 kilovolt per meter. So option D is correct answer for this question. Now in the second part of the second question, after filling the liquid with K is equals to, K means dielectric constant, 2.60 in the air gap, the capacitance of the capacitors will become. Now here we are given K is equals to 2.60 and we know that when the plates are completely filled, then new capacitance becomes K times the capacitance of air capacitor. So that is equals to 2.6 times the capacitance of air capacitor. So in option C we are getting 2.6 times larger than before. So here we are having option C. Now in the third question, if a liquid of with K is equals to 2.60, again dielectric constant given is 2.60, is poured between the plates so as to fill the air gap, how much additional charge will flow onto the capacitor from 500 volt source? So now we have to find out additional charge. So initial charge Q0 is equals to C into V. That is equals to A epsilon 0 by D into V. Area is given to us 200 centimeter, so 200 into 10 the power minus 4 meter square. Epsilon 0 is 8.85 into 10 the power minus 12. Potential is 500 and the distance between the plates is 0.4 centimeter, that is 0.4 into 10 the power minus 2. On solving this, we get this charge is equals to 22 nanocoulomb. This is Q0. Now the new charge will be equals to K times C into V. That means that is equals to 2.6 into 22, that is equals to 57 nanocoulomb. So this is the final charge that will be on the capacitor plates. So additional charge will be given by Q minus Q0, that is equals to 57 minus 22, that is equals to 35 nanocoulomb. So in the options we see that option C is giving us 35 nanocoulomb. So for this part of question, our option becomes option C. So I hope you must have understood how to solve the case study questions. For more questions, do check out my other videos.